Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Digimon Up game crashing or not working, not launching, not opening, stuck loading screen, keep stopping, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your device. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select swipe to restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you should check if your internet connection is stable or not. So if you are using Wi-Fi, you can go to mobile data or do vice versa, and after that launch the game and check if the game is opening or working or not. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, click on force stop and then click on OK. After doing this, launch the game and check if it's working. If it doesn't resolve the issue, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, go to the app info of the game, click on storage, click on clear cache. After that, go back, launch the game and check if it's working now. If this doesn't work, you should check if the app needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Digimon Up game, and here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, you have to go to settings. After that, go below, click on system update, and here you have to check if the phone OS needs any kind of update. If there is any update available, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that log into the game and check if you can play it. If the issue still continues, you can install a VPN app. For that, you have to go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN, and you will get lots of VPN apps over here. Install any one of it, and after that log into it. Now change the location, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete, click on uninstall. After doing this, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Digimon Up game, and finally click on the install option. So once the game is installed, again log into it and check if you can play it. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.